Welcome to Lesson 2, Final Exam and Next Steps. As we reach the conclusion of our course, AI for Everyone, I want to take a moment to congratulate you on the commitment and curiosity you have demonstrated throughout this learning journey. Today, you will undertake the final exam, which is designed to test the knowledge you have accumulated across various aspects of artificial intelligence. Before you begin the final exam, let's reflect on the ground we have covered. From understanding the basics of AI and debunking myths, to exploring the cutting-edge applications of generative AI and considering the ethical implications of this powerful technology. We have also looked ahead to the emerging trends and the vast career opportunities that AI is fostering in numerous fields. This course has equipped you with not only just knowledge, but also perspective on how AI can be leveraged responsibly and innovatively. The final exam consists of a series of questions that cover all the models you have studied. Each question assesses your understanding and ability to apply the concepts we have discussed. Take your time and think critically, and apply the insights you have gained from each lesson. Remember, this exam is not just a test, but an opportunity to solidify your understanding and confidence in using AI concepts. After completing the exam, I encourage you to continue exploring the field of AI. The end of this course is just the beginning of your journey. The AI landscape is dynamic and continuously evolving, offering new opportunities to learn, innovate, and contribute to transformative technologies. Thank you once again for joining this course. It has been a pleasure guiding you through this fascinating world of artificial intelligence. I hope the knowledge you have gained inspires you to pursue further studies or career paths in AI. Keep learning, stay curious, and leverage AI to make a positive impact in your world. Good luck on your final exam. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve with AI. So that's it. Goodbye.